No thanks to weights.
And nice looking boy. Part 37. Let's go with that. We're going to check that after this, but maybe question mark?
Help me out. See you back at the bureau.
We get back a little Oh, is it only like
35? This is 36.
We're on 36, I believe. Never mind. Wait.
Yep, we're on 36.
We're on 36, not 37. We are completely wrong and stupid.
36.
So what?
Oh
yeah, you have a
already out of
shotgun.
ammo.
You already have ammo for it. It's gonna be great, right?
Yeah.
Now remember, what's the motto for the day, Skyler? Just do it. Do you know why? You know why. They're so cute.
They look adorable.
They do.
Just put some cat ears on and they're complete.
No, I'm thinking they look a little creepy, actually.
I just heard some rattling.
Whatever.
Oh, there's people. Humans. Humans! Oh, you're full fledged. You got armor on and everything.
You going to get okay.
Don't shoot me! Yo, friend, don't shoot me.
What the hell? Empty.
No, don't fire.
What the hell just happened?
Come on, you little adorable robot without cat ears that needs cat ears. Oh, God.
Oh, it's so goddamn cute. Oh
no, they're shooting at me still.
No, they should just stay in front of the thing.
They pushed me out of the way. Yeah.
Just.
Let's go.
Oh my God. Yes, go to sleep, little one.
Thank you.
We love you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Let's go check this out. I have D, of course.
What do you want to name him? You just saved their lives. What do you want to name him?
His name will be Robert.
His name will be Robert Frickin' Stewart.
Yep, Robert Frickin' Stewart. You're right. Keep closed at all times. Oh, okay.
Okay.
If you say so. I guess that door's locked. Let's go screw myself over with the alien.
I already messed up. What's the last name that we just gave it?
Frickin' Stewart. Yeah, Frickin' Stewart. Robert Frickin' Stewart.
Robert Frickin' Stewart.
I think that's the only time you see Robert Frickin' Stewart.
Oh, but
To be completely
what about
honest.
his friends? Do you see his friends ever?
Pretty much no. Oh, what's this?
EMP
EMP?
Volume 2.
Oh, cool. I'd still like to have, I don't know, a kit.
Who do you expect this when you're that awesome? Just do it!
Oh, a
You
lever.
got a lever.
Just honk.
Oh, I was waiting for another push. Never mind.
Did you just call me Rick? You want me to rest in peace?
Something's been up with the damn android since I got here.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
These guys just went savage, right?
Yeah. The android's going savage.
They just don't care anymore. They just want all the aliens. I mean, all the people calling the aliens left.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
They were like, hey, yo, dude,
Get out of here!
why did you
Snap,
kill the
crackle,
alien?
Yeah, but actually, yeah. That was probably
I'm
pissed.
gonna use this if you press.
And
And slot until all 3 progression lights go out.
Oh, okay.
Removing your card early will invalid your login.
Oh, okay. Oh, is this a bar?
Yeah. Hey, no Jimmy. I found you
You
ketchup.
found the ketchup!
There's a lot of ketchup.
Oh my God, how has he not found this room yet?
I don't know.
What is that?
This is that one. That's either big ketchup or that's just something weird.
I think that's alcohol.
Kepler?
Kepler.
Early potato chips? Oh, curly potato chips.
Cisco.
So it's curly potato chips. It's early and I'm tired and my eyes are still waking up. Even with glasses on, everything's a little blurry.
Nah, man.
So, this is a pretty even match, but I want to say black was in.
You know who I think was winning?
The ashtray.
No, just no one. No one's good at chess. Especially in space. What? No, no.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, what the
That's
what?
not a shotgun.
Ooh, I have. Oh, I got a full clip. I want a full clip. Oh,
That's a. Oh, I haven't actually seen you use your flashlight for like ever.
hey, look, it's a picture of a Android. What large nostrils you have. And your neck looks a little wrinkly. Are you getting old? Oh, that's just the announcement system.
Oh, okay.
At least I think so.
So what are we doing right now?
What kind of energy drink is this? Suto? Suto. 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 Whatever the fuck that means.
I don't know what it is.
What's this?
No.
Cappuccino. Hard vodka. Energy drinks. Ketchup and energy drink. Vodka. Ketchup. Vodka. Oh. More vodka. Some curly potato chips. Vodka. Ketchup. Vodka. Curly potato chips. Oh. Yeah, I'm done. Oh, that's...
Okay.
That would work.
Still under the totally. What are we supposed to be doing?
I'm supposed to get out of here. Away from these androids.
Okay. How do we?
That's on fire.
When did that happen?
I don't know, but it says Z.
What is this? Obviously Persephone.
Ah, oh, a binding ninja. I'm actually getting shit out of these boxes.
That's incredible. That really is incredible.
Honestly, for nightmare mode, that is, because I haven't got shit for like the entire game. But not fun.
Yes.
And
Nothing in it. The hidden box with nothing in
as
it.
soon as it says something, so that door doesn't work. It's no point.
I mean, it's supposed to.
Oh wait. Remember that floor bed?
No. Oh yes. Yes,
I think it was in this one.
You skipped it over.
There it is. Wait. Oh, there we go.
So I got that one, but.
Open the vent.
What's going on?
I don't know either.
Damn it, I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm trying to contact Samuel.
I'm trying to contact
He knows
Samuel.
what the hell Apollo is playing at.
Maybe he does, maybe he doesn't. Did you ever think about that?
Probably hasn't.
Can you open the vent? Thank you.
I wouldn't want to climb out that side.
Restore power?
What are we doing in here?
Restoring power, right?
What are we doing?
Can I wear this mask? This torch and just gouge the faces of people?
Don't use that.
That makes noises. What?
Yay.
Ooh, anything in this pot? Oh!
Oh.
Yeah!
Only useful to humans, not androids at all.
I'm gonna have to use an android. Pretty sure this is like a big android section.
Oh, screw that noise. Just do it.
And starts playing like hardcore Metallica.
Actually, okay.
And then like all the androids just start dancing. Like they just grow hair.
Oh, enough people are
I don't have people there anymore. What are you doing? This is dangerous territory. Come on. You put a lot of effort into pushing me to that. Whoa.
Good snap.
He just uses thumbs. He's like, I'm a professional gamer since 1985.
Oh no, that would be terrible. If he just uses thumbs. He probably just crushed your wood, buddy.
He really
He's
just
probably
did.
just suffering there.
Oh, crap.
Well, you didn't do anything.
Oh, that means I didn't get that shotgun.
That's funny.
I'm just gonna go check out that box again and see if I'm lucky.
Probably not.
No.
Okay.
Well, I got most of the stuff from that. Actually, I had that SCJ injector. I had a bonding agent before. It helps me bond with people.
Does it?
Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah. My throwing grenades. Speaking of which, can I make anything?
Nope. Yep.
Well, definitely making that because of the time. That's gonna be a time.
Wait, it's Ripley. What's going on with the
It's so scary because I'm so used to not like being able to make noises in the vents.
Damn it, I don't know. I'm trying to
Making noises
contact
in the vents
Samuels.
is kind of
Maybe he knows what the hell Apollo is playing at.
hard to do. What sucks though is like all my stuff's like rattling across the floor.
Screw that house. Doesn't matter. No.
I had nothing in it before, right?
Yeah.
I think I have something.
Or something.
One,
See, I'm used to that one. I like this one. You do. Put it back.
3,
What next?
jump. Return to the Marshall barrel. Reloaded.
One shot. Just for that.
Oh.
I think you're ready. Go through the door.
Where's my flamethrower?
I don't know.
Out of ammo. Oh yeah, I kind of used it to get rid of the animals. Running really far.
Just
away.
keep going. Just keep
Oh, it's
going.
a dead end.
No, just keep going.
You can't keep going on dead end.
Yeah, you can just round up them.
Is this the door? No. Oh.
No, not yet. Messed up, Jim.
Oh. Oh god. No. Oh no, it ain't authorized, but I'm gonna do it anyways.
So I shouldn't even have to use that shotgun. Do you really need to kill these guys?
I want to be able to do stuff safe. Okay, he's gone.
This isn't good. Okay, literally nothing.
Wait, bro. I don't have any bullets. Gosh darn it. Look at his face. It's been shot. Been
Next
shot a
time you
lot.
should just ignore shooting them. You need to shoot.
It's hard not to. They follow you,
You
man.
don't need to shoot.
And there's 2 of them, so they can like go around the things, like the hedge. Or,
Let's see.
I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm drunk.
Save more.
I'm new. I just got here.
That's not true. Oh, wow. 1 minute.
Oh.
What's
Oh.
that? 1 minute.
Huh?
1 minute.
Oh. And if I get a shotgun shot, I should probably save it.
Yes.
I'm gonna save it so that way I can keep my shotgun shot.
Ah.
Oh, bless you.
No, bless you. Oh my god, that hurt my throat.
I know.
No, don't want me to look good.
I had 6 full bullets. I missed one right there.
No, it probably won't feel very good.
Honestly, I probably would have moved my one better.
Messed up thing inside me.
Vengeance Cycle. Okay, so.
What are you doing now?
All that.
Tell him why.
I'll just. Yeah. We gotta go.
Well, thank you for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.